Today we got a Fortnite upgrade shark for half the price.
There you go. That was from the discount store.
You get discounts.
Discount half a price.
For
But it's brand new, isn't it brand new? It's brand new,
yeah,
isn't it?
it's not open.
What is that?
Skis, water skis. What's this? The shark's pretty heavy, actually.
Whoa.
Why don't we open this up? This is actually a real string.
Yeah. Okay. That's the fishing pole.
And a shotgun.
What?
A
That's
lever
tiny.
A lever action shotgun.
What?
It looks like lever action.
Yeah, that's a pump.
Here's the shark. Here's the shark's head.
Wow, looks mean.
And the mouth can open.
Okay. Where's the body?
Here is the water ski. Look how big you have to fit them. They're so big. Wait. Wait. No.
Looks like
You can-
dry fish.
You can put it together like this. I want to show you how it's put together.
Just to click.
It's
hard.
hard. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, is it on?
No,
Let me see.
it's hard to click on.
Why is it full inside? You didn't even open the stuff. Unpack it, that's unboxing video. Unbox everything. What is this? Snowboard.
No, that's water skis.
Ski, water ski.
It was already open. Here we got some, what was it called again?
What is it?
Shields for healing.
Oh, that's from the game Fortnite.
It's supposed to move. I don't know why it doesn't move.
Potion of the motion.
Here's a back bling sushi. Sushi back bling.
Sushi. This is fish. Oh, this is supposed to be on top somewhere. Oh, where is the guy? What do you mean? It's supposed to have a guy, right?
Yeah.
Open the paper.
It's already open.
So there's no guy.
Wait, but
Is the guy included?
yeah, it's supposed to be. I thought it's supposed to be in here.
Oh, the fishing pole is there. The guy is supposed to be there. There's no guy. So that's why it's half a price. It's missing. I sure the guy is included.
It's supposed to be.
Great shark. No, it's not. The guy is not included.
But when I was watching a video of the person, the guy was included.
Includes only the accessories here. You see,
But when the guy did it,
the guy is not included.
no. But when a real person did it, it had it.
Great shark. So the shark only. What? Oh, yeah, that's all you can get. We got the other characters. Tie them up.
They won't work.
What do you mean? Why?
I don't know.
You can put any guy here on the water ski, right? It's supposed to snap on there. Maybe it's on the other side. That one.
How even is supposed to be?
Let me see. It's supposed to point down, yeah. Like that. Well, we have to close the shark first. It's on.
Oh wait, the shark head's supposed to be on first.
Think so.
Wait.
It kind of doesn't go in. Tight. Whoops, easy. You have to. Yeah, it's almost there. Okay, good enough. It's not gonna go now. Oh, there you go. Now it's snapped on. Now you have to put the fins. Perfect. That's all. The shark here is big belly. Get one of those characters and put him on the ski.
But how come when I watched a video of this, it included the guy? I watched a video of this and the package included the guy.
It shows there on the corner what's included. See there? It says upgrade shark, so it's not the guy.
But no, it included the guy when I watched the video.
Well, the guy probably hit it. Anyway, get another guy. You have those something more sturdy, man.
You're not rude.
Find him, man. Can you find him? It doesn't show a guy here.
Yes, it does.
It shows here, but
It's probably someone took it.
that wasn't even open. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's too big, isn't it?
No, it's compared to the feet.
That's not gonna stay.
No.
No, get the smaller guy. The other one,
I know.
the better feet. This backpack is for the guy or what?
This guy already has a backpack.
Okay. It doesn't stay. Ah, there you go. So the guy's supposed to hold a fishing pole?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna look at that. That doesn't even stay sturdy. So they gave another gun.
Mm-hmm. A lever action shotgun.
You already have the same from that guy, right?
No, it's this.
But that one included from the other guy.
Mm-hmm. But it's gonna stay better.
There you go. Put him to hold the fishing
Yeah,
pole.
I am. I am.
There. Wow. And the shark is mean. Look at his teeth. Wow. They made it good. Looks like real. Yeah, it's not gonna be sturdy.
Yeah,
There you go.
this guy's tall. That's why.
I think the small guy is supposed to be there. But that works.
Meowscles is supposed to be there. Dark Meowscles.
He caught her. And when you catch the shark, it's like a
Yeah.
bolt.
No, but no, it's faster than a.
Yeah. Why? Gun one hand? No way. Supposed to hold this hand up here, two hands.
Yeah, it's hard. Now this hand comes off,
Oh, okay. I'll leave it alone. There you go.
but the shark moves. Actually, in Fortnite you can become a shark. If you, but that's that's not a myth.
This one is sushi backpack.
Shields.
We're gonna keep that in the shark.
No, it won't fit.
Mm.
Wait, let me get something. Wait, let me get something. I have 3 more like this.
That's Mama bought that.
No?
That's gonna fit better probably on the ski. Oh, there you go. That matches.
No, this is, it's gonna break.
Too
It
big.
won't. Yep, too big. It's supposed to fit on Meowscles, that's why. Because the hole is small.
Yeah.
It's supposed to include the character. Why doesn't it include the character? It's supposed to include the character.
I don't know.
How do you even hold a shotgun?
Yeah. So what are you doing, the other guy? This one stays without the fall, so that'll go. And there goes ski.
It's because the Meowscles figure has bigger hands.
So Tell the guys, whoever buys this, it's not included in the guy.
You have to buy the guy.
You have to buy it separate. Only the shark is included and those accessories.
But when I watched the video, it included the guy. When I watched the video.
I don't know. This box, it's not.
You can get it.
Anyway, that's half a price anyway. So still good price for what? What was it? $14 with the tax. Yeah, the price was $13. $13.79 from 23. Does it fit?
Mm-hmm.
So now everybody has shotgun.
No. I have like 2 more in my room.
I know. So it's not bad, is it? Where are you gonna store it? You have to put it on a display something. The shelves are full. You're gonna need bigger shelves. This guy is leaning back at the shark pulls him so much. There you go. It's already good.
How do you hold a shotgun, dude?
It's hard to put on.
But how do you hold a shotgun?
So this jar is just accessories.
Mm-hmm, but that's like for a real game.
You drink this to revive you, right?
No, it's for your shield.
What?
It's
No, you don't open.
Wait, what? Wait, I think you broke it.
No,
No, you broke it.
it snaps on. Okay.
Wait, what?
So it's good purchase, isn't it? Okay.
Well, that's rubber. It's not slime, it's rubber.
Of course. Okay. Not bad, not bad. One more thing in your collection from Fortnite. That's a big shark. That's as big as the guy.
This one's taller.
Yeah, that's cool. Supposed to be this guy or what? No, that's too small. That's perfect for this. Okay. That's enough video, right? Okay, then say bye. Have a nice day.
Sleep tight.
Chick-fil-A.
What? Chick-fil-A. Chicks.
Bye, everybody. See you later.
Alligator.